Hello my dear little friends, welcome to Notebook. Tell me something, do you guys go shopping with your mother to buy fruits, vegetables, chocolates, toys, etc.? Yeah. Today I'm going to tell you a story of a day when you went shopping with your mother. One Saturday morning when you woke up, you saw your mother moving around the kitchen with a pen and paper in her hand. She would check the cupboards and note something in the paper. You asked your mother, "Mom, what are you doing?" Your mother replied, "I am making a list of grocery items and toiletries, etc. that needs to be purchased from the supermarket." You told your mother that you would also accompany her to the supermarket. After some time, you both go to the supermarket. At first, your mother goes to the cereals section. She had to buy 3 kgs of rice. She took 1 packet of rice and checked the MRP. It was mentioned as rupees 100. Your mother then asked you, "Beta, MRP of 1 packet is rupees 100. So, how much will we need to pay for 3 packets? You immediately replied, "Mom, it will come to rupees 300. She smiled. She took the other items from this section and then came to the fruits section. She asked the price for bananas. The salesperson told it's 36 rupees for 1 dozen. That is 12 pieces. "How many do you want, ma'am?" Your mother looked at you and asked, "If the price of 12 bananas is rupees 36, how much will be the price for 1 banana?" You immediately replied, "Mom, it will be rupees 3 for each banana." "Yes," she said and was very happy. Then she picked up all the other items that she needed and got the billing done. And then you guys came back home. As usual, she also treated you with your favorite ice cream for helping her out while shopping. After reaching home, you asked your mother curiously, "Mom, why did you ask me the price of those items? The computerized billing system used these days would anyways calculate it automatically." Your mother said, "Yes, you're right. But apart from shopping, there are many instances where if the value of 1 unit is given, we need to find the value of many such units, or vice versa, where the values of many units together is given and we need to find the value of 1 unit. You understood what your mother was trying to teach you and were very happy learning such practical lessons from her? So my dear friends, wasn't that interesting? Yes, but do you also know that this method of calculating the value of ones from many and vice versa is known as unitary method? Let us learn some more about it. Unitary method is a method used generally for finding the value of a single unit. This method is very simple and uses multiplication and division. If we need to find the value for more units, we use multiplication. And if we need to find the value of lesser units, we divide. Right, friends? Let us now look at a few examples to understand this. Situation 1, where the value of 1 unit is given and we need to find the value of multiple units. The cost of 1 pencil is rupees 5. Find the cost of 20 such pencils. Friends, it is very simple that if the number of items will be more, then the cost will also be more. And as already mentioned, more means we need to multiply. Therefore, cost of 1 pencil equals to rupees 5. Cost of 20 pencils equal to rupees 20 into 5 equal to rupees 100. Thus, the cost of 20 pencils is rupees 100. Situation 2, where the value of more units is given and we need to find the value of 1 unit. Let us use our same example. Example: the cost of 20 pencils is rupees 100. Find the cost of one such pencil. Friends, clearly, if the number of items will be less, then the cost will also be less. And as already mentioned, less means we need to divide. Therefore, cost of 20 pencil is rupees 100. Cost of 1 pencil is rupees 100 by 20, which is equal to rupees 5. Thus, the cost of 1 pencil is rupees 5. Now, let us move to our next situation. Situation 3, where the value of a certain number of units is given and we need to find the value of another number of units of the same thing. In this case, friends, as the value of a certain number of units will be given, we need to first find the value of 1 unit and then multiply and find the value of another set of units. Let us consider an example. Example: the cost of 20 pencils is rupees 100. Find the cost of 35 such pencils. Friends, as I mentioned, if the number of items will be more, then the cost will also be more. However, we cannot directly use multiplication here, as we do not know the value of 1 unit. Therefore, we first need to find the value of 1 unit by using division. Therefore, cost of 20 pencils equal to rupees 100. Cost of 1 pencil equal to rupees 100 by 20 equal to rupees 5. Thus, the cost of 1 pencil is rupees 5. Now, we use this to find the value of 35 pencils. More items means we need to multiply. Therefore, cost of 1 pencil equal to rupees 5. Cost of 35 pencils equal to rupees 35 into 5 equal to rupees 175. Thus, the cost of 35 pencils is rupees 175. So, my dear friends, wasn't it simple? By just remembering these simple concepts, we can find the values for any number of units. With this, we come to the end of our video lesson on unitary method. I hope you have understood everything explained so far. You can keep watching this video as many times as you want till you have understood all the concepts. We shall meet again soon with a new topic. Till then, goodbye and happy learning.